guys, what's up? Welcome back. Welcome to the channel. So what we got going on today is I'm actually headed to the tire shop. I'm going to get me an alignment and I'm going to get some 35 1250/20 amp all-terrain tires mounted up on 2019 Platinum stocks. It's the same wheels that I've had on my truck. Y'all probably seen them. If not, go check out some videos on my channel of it. But like I said, going to the tire shop now, going to get the alignment and everything. As you can tell, trucks, steering wheel is not really straight and it pulls to the right. Not really a big deal. Alignment should fix that all up. I did replace everything on the front end of the truck, so everything will be fine after the alignment. Get the tires put on, but just stick around. I'll pick y'all back up after we get down at the tire shop. All right, guys, so have a look-see. Tell me what you think. Drop it down in the comments below. All right, so I just want to touch real quick. I have not trimmed anything off this front valence, and the only thing I trimmed was actually because I had a set of Nittos before, and I trimmed off this edge of this fender flare just because the tires would catch. But I'll show you guys. Let's see, here we go. 35 1250/20. They do measure pretty close to true to size. Let's see, get you a good width profile. So looking at them straight on, you can't even see the spike lug nuts. So they do give you a pretty good little overhang. I think they make the truck look pretty great. But come around to this side. This is the clearance in the back, so it's pretty close. At full lock, you're probably going to rub upper control arm and maybe on the frame. I haven't noticed any issues with it. I still get pretty close to full lock. If full lock, I haven't really just been testing her out. I do have 3-inch drop shackles in the back, and that's what gives it that tighter fit in the rear right there, which is something I've always liked in the trucks. It's not necessarily squatted, it just has a little bit of a lean to it. But I definitely have more videos to come as I get more stuff for the truck. But let me just give me a quick second here. Power steering pump's hating life right now. All right, that's full lock. The wheel's not going to stay. But get up under here. I'm not touching anything all the way around. And if you see some grease there, that's actually just from a torn axle boot. I've already got it fixed, got a new axle in. But I mean, look at that, guys. That's it is close enough to pull off. As you can see, there is clearance. I do have 1/4-inch spacers, just little spacers behind the wheels, but other than that, everything's looking good. All right, guys, so I am going to try and get just a little bit of road noise. I'm sure somebody will ask how loud they are. You can hear them whine just a little bit. I know my truck's not the best representation since my exhaust is pretty much right underneath the cab, but I'm just trying to stay out of it right here. And just give it I don't even know if the camera's picking that up, but there is a little bit of roar, a little bit of whine.